In this presentation, we're going to talk about how to use social media in the workplace. I think it goes without saying that this sounds like a not so good idea. However, there are ways to use it while at work, as well as ways not to use it. It doesn't matter what social media platform you, your employees, or your business is on. It's important to use it properly. So let's get right to it. First, you want to use social media for promotional purposes. Your business may have a Facebook page, an Instagram, a Twitter feed, or whatever else. The challenge is finding out where your target audience hangs out and which platform they use regularly. You might have a special sale going on, and you might want to post it throughout the social media channels where you're most active. You need to have the right offer in front of the right people. When this happens, your customers will know what's up and buy what you've got. Now, this can be most useful to an online business, but if you have a brick-and-mortar business, social media can also be effective. Speaking of effective, let's take a look at another way to use social media in the workplace. Communicating with your customers. Your customers may have something nice to say about your products or services, and they might leave you a positive review. On the other side of the coin, you have the negative reviews. This is your chance to rectify the situation and talk to them. You want to be authentic and helpful. Some may be unwilling to talk and you may have lost a customer. If that's the case, then it is what it is. Otherwise, you might want to solve the problem and help them out. This could mean giving them store credit or their money back. This all depends on your policy. Social media is one way for your customers to communicate with you. Third, offer a little bonus for those who have followed you on social media or have signed up for your email newsletter. Give them a bit of extra value so they feel appreciated as a customer. This can be a coupon for 10% off, buy one get one free special, or something else. You may keep track of your followers and you may offer them something nice as a way to say thank you. If you do that, you might have lifelong customers. Finally, we have a behind-the-scenes post. Talk about what's going on behind the scenes with your business. What kind of specials are you planning on putting together in the near future? What kinds of products or services are you planning to release? Give your customers what appears to be VIP access into something that might seem exclusive. They'll love that feeling of importance just for being one of your biggest fans on social media. And that'll do it for this presentation. I hope you found it enjoyable. Social media shouldn't be used for personal things when you're in the workplace. But what you can do is use it as a way to drum up new business. You can offer promotions, a behind-the-scenes look, or use it as a way to communicate with your customers. No matter what the platform, there is no underestimating the power of social media. If you like this presentation, tell us what you think. Better yet, let us know what your strategies are for social media in the workplace.